Hello guys, Manny here from TrafficBuster.com. In this tutorial we are going to show you how to properly install the Traffic Buster software. On your email you should have your um, thank you email, which contains a couple important things like your download link, the password for the zipped file, um, and the registration details along with another important information. Right now what you need to worry about is the download link, the password of the zip file, and the registration details. First go ahead and download the zip file, and you should get something like this. It's a zip file, and the zip file is password protected. The password is inside the email. So just right click on it, and all that you have to do is just extract, and then it will ask you for a password. Go to your email and copy that password, but make sure that you're not copying an extra space. That's an error that often people make, that when they highlight they get like an extra space after the last character of the password, and then this password will recognize that as a character, and then it will tell you that it's the wrong password. So make sure that you're not using an extra character before the first character or after the last character of the password. Go ahead and copy that, paste that in the password field, hit OK, and it should come out and extract everything inside the folder, which is basically just a setup file that will set everything up for you. Once the file is extracted, you will get this setup file right here. All that you have to do with the setup file is just double click on it. It will ask you for administrator rights because it's about to install stuff on your computer, and then it will pop up this little wizard. You should be familiar with this wizard because it's a simple install wizard that you get pretty much with any software. All that you have to do is just click next. Here you have the terms and agreement of the terms and conditions of the software. Just hit agree and then next, and here you will get, you ask if you where you want to install the directory where you want to install the software. We usually keep it right there on the C drive to make it accessible for you guys and not actually touch your program files data. But if you want to go ahead and install in the program files folder, you can do that as well. Otherwise it will, by default it installs right there on your C drive to make it accessible for you guys. And then if you choose that, just hit next, and then it will tell you that the software will install in that folder. If that folder is not present in the C drive, it will pop up a window and ask you if you want to create that folder. Just hit yes, and you should be good to go. Then just hit start, and the software will begin installing everything for you. Once it's done, you will see this launch Traffic Buster. For now I'm gonna uncheck, but you can leave it checked, so I show you a couple things inside the folder, and you just hit next and hit exit, and you're good to go. Now the software created a shortcut right here on the desktop, but also the software is installed right here on the C drive under Traffic Buster. Here you will see all the files. Here you will also find all the short URLs that you need, the readme first, the random tweets, locations, emails, changelog, a data folder. Pretty much everything that you need to run the software is right there. Emails, email list, um, so it comes preloaded with a certain files. It also has a female pic folder full of default female pics to use for the account creation. We recommend that you scrape and use your own, but if you want to run right away, you can use this. So you remember the path is C drive, Traffik Buster, female pic, and you get all the pictures there. Then after that, you're ready to run. If the software should be set to run as an administrator, if it's not, let me go back. If it's not, just all that you have to do is just right click, hit properties, then you hit compatibility tab, and then put run this program as an administrator, or you can change the settings for all users, that's even better. And then the privilege level, run this program as administrator, hit apply, hit OK, hit OK. You should be good to go. So then you just double click on it. It will ask you for user access control. Just hit yes, and you should get this registration window. In this window you will place the details that you got on the email. So in this case I'm gonna place my details here. Make sure that when you are copying and pasting stuff, that you don't add extra blank spaces after the last character on the email or the name or the unlock code, because this form is case sensitive and it will recognize even blank characters like spaces, and then it will not work. And you just hit paste and then just hit get registered. Once you do that, the software should go and check if there is a new update, and it will install the latest updates and pull up your changelog version right here. And that's it, and the software will launch, and you have it right here, and then you can start playing with it and using it. Make sure that you watch all the videos, because it's very important that you get a good grasp and learn how to set everything properly within the software. Thank you for watching, and I see you in the next video.